Choosing the perfect plants for enhanced curb appeal. Selecting the right plants and flowers for your garden can significantly enhance the curb appeal of your home. Here's how to choose the perfect plants to make your garden stand out. 1. Consider your climate and location. Choose plants that thrive in your local climate, soil type, and sun exposure. Research native and adapted species that are well suited to your region's conditions to ensure optimal growth and longevity. 2. Assess your garden's needs. Evaluate your garden's specific needs, such as soil quality, drainage, space constraints, and aesthetic preferences. Consider factors like color, texture, height, bloom time, and maintenance requirements when selecting plants. 3. Plan for year-round interest. Select a mix of plants that provide interest throughout the year, including evergreen foliage, seasonal blooms, and vibrant foliage colors. Incorporate a variety of plants with staggered bloom times to ensure continuous color and visual appeal. 4. Choose plants of varying heights. Create visual interest and depth in your garden by incorporating plants of different heights and forms. Mix low-growing ground covers, medium-sized shrubs, and tall perennials or trees to add dimension and structure to your landscape. 5. Coordinate colors and textures. Coordinate plant colors, textures, and forms to create a cohesive and harmonious garden design. Choose a color palette that complements your home's exterior and surrounding landscape, and incorporate a mix of foliage colors and textures for added interest. 6. Incorporate seasonal blooms. Include plants with seasonal blooms to add bursts of color and excitement to your garden throughout the year. Choose flowering plants that bloom in different seasons to ensure a continuous display of color and interest. 7. Balance evergreens and deciduous plants. Balance evergreen and deciduous plants in your garden to maintain interest and structure year-round. Evergreens provide year-round color and texture, while deciduous plants offer seasonal changes and blooms. 8. Mix annuals, perennials, and bulbs. Mix annuals, perennials, and bulbs to create a dynamic and ever-changing garden landscape. Annuals provide instant color and are ideal for filling in gaps, while perennials and bulbs offer long-term growth and blooms. 9. Consider maintenance requirements. Select plants that match your level of gardening expertise and the amount of time you can dedicate to maintenance. Choose low-maintenance plants that require minimal watering, pruning, and fertilizing for a hassle-free garden. 10. Create focal points and accents. Incorporate focal points and accents into your garden design to draw attention and create visual interest. Use specimen plants, ornamental trees, sculptures, or architectural features as focal points to anchor your garden and add drama. 11. Provide wildlife habitat. Choose plants that attract pollinators, birds, and beneficial insects to your garden to create a thriving ecosystem. Select native plants with nectar-rich flowers, berries, and seed heads to provide food and habitat for wildlife. 12. Experiment and have fun. Don't be afraid to experiment with different plant combinations and garden designs to find what works best for your space. Gardening is a creative and rewarding endeavor, so have fun and enjoy the process of selecting and planting your garden. By following these tips and guidelines, you can choose the perfect plants and flowers for your garden to enhance curb appeal and create a beautiful and inviting outdoor space that reflects your personal style and enhances the beauty of your home. Whether you prefer a formal garden, a cottage-style landscape, or a naturalistic wildflower garden, thoughtful plant selection and design will help you achieve stunning results that make a lasting impression.